All right, tech enthusiasts, buckle up. We've got a bombshell to drop. Justin Hoddard, Intel's AI and data center group head, is leaving to become the CEO of Nokia. Yeah, you heard that right. Intel, struggling to catch up in the AI race, just lost a key player. What the heck is going on here? Is this a brilliant move by Nokia? A disaster for Intel? Or is it a bit of both? That's what we're diving into today. Stick around, because this isn't just about one executive leaving one company. This is about the future of AI, the battle for chip supremacy, and the ripple effects that will impact the entire tech landscape. Let's get started. Let's be honest, Intel hasn't exactly been crushing it in the AI space lately. They're playing catch-up with NVIDIA, and this departure couldn't have come at a worse time. Hoddard was a key figure in their data center and AI strategy. Losing him creates a leadership vacuum and throws their plans into question. Think of it like this. You're building a race car, and your chief engineer suddenly decides to join the competition. Not ideal, right? Now, the knee-jerk reaction might be to sell your Intel stock. But hold on a second. Let's dig a little deeper before you hit that sell button. We need to understand the bigger picture. What does this mean for Nokia, for the telecom industry, and for the future of AI chips? Nokia, on the other hand, is making a bold move. Snagging Hoddard signals they are serious about AI. I mean, seriously serious. They're not just dipping their toes in the water. They're diving headfirst. This is a clear indication that Nokia wants to integrate AI into its telecom solutions, and they believe Hoddard is the guy to lead the charge. Imagine AI-powered networks, smarter infrastructure, and groundbreaking advancements in 5G and beyond. This is the vision Nokia is chasing, and investors seem to like it. Nokia's stock is up, fueled by optimism about the company's future direction. But can Hoddard deliver? Can Nokia truly compete in the fiercely competitive AI landscape? Okay, let's break down the immediate, first-order impacts of this move. For Intel, it's undeniably a blow. Leadership vacuum? Check. Strategy disruption? Highly likely. Potential stock price dip? Almost guaranteed. And let's not forget about employee morale. Another high-profile executive leaving after the CEO change? That's not exactly a confidence booster. It could trigger further talent departures, creating a real brain drain. Intel needs to act fast to reassure investors and employees that they have a solid plan to move forward. They need to find a strong replacement for Hoddard and demonstrate their commitment to AI innovation. This is a critical moment for them. For Nokia, it's all upside, at least on the surface. They get a CEO with deep experience in AI and data centers. This signals a strategic push into these critical areas. We're talking about a potential strategic shift, a renewed focus on AI, and a short-term boost in their stock price. But it's not all sunshine and roses. Hoddard's arrival might lead to internal restructuring, a realignment of resources, and a whole lot of change. And change can be disruptive. Nokia needs to manage this transition carefully to ensure it doesn't derail their progress. Can they successfully integrate Hoddard's vision with their existing strategy? That's the million-dollar question. Now, let's zoom out and look at the adjacent industries. Nokia's increased focus on AI could accelerate the adoption of AI-powered solutions in the telecommunications sector. Think more efficient networks, improved customer service, and entirely new revenue streams. This puts pressure on other telecom equipment vendors like Ericsson and Huawei to step up their AI game. We could see a wave of AI innovation sweeping through the telecom industry as companies compete to develop the most advanced and efficient solutions. 5G is just the beginning. Nokia's AI focus could pave the way for future generations of mobile technology, like 6G, and revolutionize how we connect and communicate. And what about the AI chip market? Nokia's AI ambitions could create increased demand for AI chips from companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and, potentially Intel, if they can recover. We might see Nokia forming partnerships with AI chip vendors or AI software companies to accelerate its AI development efforts. This could be a huge opportunity for chip makers who can provide the computing power needed to fuel Nokia's AI revolution. The data center industry will also benefit, with increased demand for infrastructure to support the processing and storage of AI-related data. So, even if Intel is hurting right now, this could be a rising tide that lifts all boats in the long run. Speaking of Intel, let's not forget their competitors. NVIDIA and AMD must be watching this situation very carefully. Intel's stumble presents a golden opportunity for them to gain market share in the data center and AI spaces. They can capitalize on Intel's uncertainty by offering superior AI solutions and attracting top talent. This is a high-stakes game, and the winner takes all. The next few years will be crucial as these companies battle for dominance in the AI chip market. Will Intel be able to bounce back? Or will Nvidia and AMD solidify their lead? Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. The socioeconomic impacts of this move are far-reaching. Nokia's investment in AI could create new jobs in areas like AI research, development, and deployment. But let's be real, the automation of certain tasks through AI could also lead to job displacement in other areas of the telecommunications industry. This is a double-edged sword. We need to prepare for the future of work by investing in education and training programs to equip workers with the skills they need to thrive in the age of AI. Are we ready for this shift? That's a question we need to be asking ourselves. On the positive side, the adoption of AI-powered solutions in telecommunications could lead to increased productivity and efficiency, contributing to economic growth. Nokia's AI initiatives could spur innovation in related fields, leading to new products, services, and business models. And AI-powered solutions could help bridge the digital divide by making telecommunications services more accessible and affordable in underserved areas. This is a chance to connect more people to the internet, empowering them with access to information, education, and opportunities. But we need to ensure that this technology benefits everyone, not just a select few. Finally, let's not forget about national security. AI can be used to improve the security of telecommunications networks and protect against cyber threats. But the development and deployment of AI in telecommunications could also have implications for geopolitical competition as countries vie for leadership in this critical technology. This is a race for technological supremacy, and the stakes are incredibly high. Who will control the future of AI-powered telecommunications? That's a question that will shape the world for decades to come. Okay, let's talk risks. Nokia is betting big on Hotard and AI, but there's no guarantee of success. Can they effectively integrate AI into their products and services? Can they compete with established players? There's a risk of AI washing, superficial adoption of AI without real impact. Hotard needs to integrate himself, learn the specifics of the telecom industry, and learn the organization. That's a lot to handle. And let's not forget Nokia's recent struggles. They posted a drop in net sales last year and announced significant job cuts. This turnaround might be fragile, and the leadership change could disrupt progress. Intel, on the other hand, faces the risk of a continued decline. Hotard's departure could hinder their AI strategy and roadmap, especially if his expertise and leadership were critical. There's a risk that Intel's AI efforts could be negatively impacted, further exacerbating their competitive disadvantage. And the talent drain is a real concern. Hotard's exit follows the recent departure of Intel CEO, suggesting potential instability and a possible exodus of talent. If Intel can't turn things around, they could face a serious crisis. Finally, let's not forget the ethical risks. Nokia's job cuts raise concerns about employee welfare. AI could exacerbate this. As Nokia integrates AI, they'll collect and process tons of data. We need to worry about data privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. AI algorithms can perpetuate biases. Nokia needs to ensure its AI systems are fair, unbiased, and transparent. This is about more than just profits. It's about responsible innovation. So, what's the bottom line? Justin Hotard's move is more than just a job change. It's a seismic event in the tech world. It's a strong indicator of the growing importance of AI in telecommunications. It could trigger significant changes in the competitive landscape, technological development, and socio-economic outcomes. Nokia is making a bold bet, but it's a risky one. Intel needs to act fast to avoid falling further behind. And we all need to be prepared for the changes that AI will bring to the future of work and society. This is a story that's just beginning to unfold, and we'll be here to keep you updated every step of the way. Thanks for watching.